December 14th, 2020, Fluency. Number 1, what is the sum of 15 and 6 tenths, 39 and 2,345 ten thousandths, and 72? All right, so remember that word sum means we're going to add. And when we're adding or subtracting decimals, what do we have to do? Line them up. Line them up. So we have 39 with that decimal here. 2, 3, 4, 5, plus, so I have that one. Check. I'm going to put that in green because I got that one done. 15 and 6 tenths, so 1, 5, and 6 tenths. And then we have 72. Now, 72 is a whole number, so remember, you can put a decimal after it with zeros after if you would like to. You do not have to, but you can if you want to. We can also put some placeholder of zeros as well over here. Do do do. Do do do. All these zeros. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, let's add them up. Do do do. Charge. All right, 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 0, 3. 2 plus 0, 6, 7, 8. What do I do with that decimal? Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Let's see. 9 plus 5 is 14. 15, 16. I'm going to carry the 1, drop the 6. And then I have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our answer is 126 and 8,345 ten thousandths. Woohoo! All right, next one, number 2. Find the quotient of 642 divided by 2. Remember, quotient means the answer to a division problem. All right, so we're going to put that 642 on the inside of our house. 642. And then we're going to divide it by 2. So that 2 is going to go on the outside of our house. So how many times can 2 go into 6? Well, 2 can go into 6 3 times. So I'm going to put that 3 up here. What is 2 times 3? That is 6. I'm going to put that 6 down here, and I'm going to subtract. Now, I have 6 minus 6, which is 0. Bring down that 4 because we did not use it yet. So this 4. How many times can 2 go into 4? It can go in 2 times. Woohoo! What is 2 times 2? That is 4. Now we're going to subtract. And we get 0, and then bring down that 2. Do-do-do. Charge. Bring down that 2. Sorry, that 4 minus 4 is 0. How many times can 2 go into 2? It can go in 2 times. 2 times 2 is 2. Subtract, you get 0. So our answer is 322. That's it. There's nothing left to bring down, so that's our answer. Woohoo! All right, let's take a look at this next one. What is the quotient? Ooh, again, we're going to do quotient of 986 divided by 23. So let's do this over here. 986, 986 divided by 23. And 23 is going to be our divisor on the outside. 986 is our dividend on the inside of the house. All right, so 23 cannot go into 9. How about can 23 go into 98? Yeah, it can. So let's see. 23 times 1 is 23. Then we'd have 46. And then we'd have another 23 after we have that 46. Let's see, we have 46 and 23. We'd have 69. Another 23 would be 92. So times 4 would be 92. So if we multiply that by 4, we get 92. 92. Now, if we subtract here, 8 minus 2 is going to be 6. And then 9 minus 9 is 0. And we bring down that 6. And now we have 66. So how many times can 23 go into 66? Well, I think it can go in 2 times, because if I go 23 times 3, that's 69, not quite 66. So we're going to have to put it in 2 times. 2 times. So 23 times 2 is going to be 46. Now if we subtract here, 6 minus 6 is 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. So we have 20. So we could have 42 and remainder of 20. The remainder of 20. Or you can take this further as a challenge if you would like. You can take it further and you can put a decimal with a 0 here and continue with your division. Then that decimal, you would pop it up. So you have 42, then you bring down that 0, and then you do the whole thing again. So how many times it could go into 200? Well, it's kind of a lot. So it's going to go in 8 times, so that's kind of a bit much. But we're going to end up just stopping at that remainder of 20. So I am going to move this down, and that's going to be our answer for that one. But if you'd like to, you can keep going. Great job!